Welcome to the Van Rap Radio. It is what it is. And I'm back with another update. So I came across this other artist. I was listening to some of the tracks. She's one of the upcoming artists. Mrofha. Damn, guys, I'm gonna drop the links at the description. I would like you guys to check out Music Wow. Come on, man. She's coming right on the right path. We can say that music is still in the good hands. Music with time, I'm telling you, this house track, Minyal and all that. I can tell you already there is so many upcoming artists that got dope music. So nice, so perfect. So, man, there's a track called Shiranabatu, and then there's a track called Mirandu, which are also, I love those two tracks. The whole thing, the way they were done, and how the sound is, man. I'm really proud to hear something like this. So, what I'm telling you is that make sure that you check out those two tracks. I'm gonna give you the clip at the end of this. So, let me let you listen to a little bit of them. Just check out these clips a little bit. I'm out of here. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to share. And one thing you should never, ever, ever forget. If you're looking for free, dope music, log on to www.vendrapradiostation.co.za or log on to www.renderfiles.co.za. I'm out of here. Check out the music, the video clips, and you can tell us what you think. Comment, like, and share. I'm out.